Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Yesterday, Qwen released another new model which is the Qwen3 Omni, and this model supports text, image, audio, video in one place, and this model is an alternative to Gemini 2.5 Flash. Yes, if you go to their website chat.qwen.ai, or let's say if you go to this Hugging Face, here you see that Qwen3 Omni 30 billion and 3 billion active parameter, and in their official chat.qwen.ai, they have written it as a Qwen3 Omni Flash. And also, if you go to their blog, here you see that Qwen3 Omni Flash, and they have compared this model with the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. Here you see on various benchmarks, and also on this audio benchmarks. Here you see that on this audio benchmarks, in some of the cases it is beating this Gemini 2.5 Pro also. Okay, so this is very interesting, and also this model have the audio, video, and text capability. So this is also very interesting. And now what I have done, that I have compared this model with the Gemini 2.5 Pro on some various prompts. Let's see that what output it is giving, and then only we can say that whether you should choose this model Qwen3 Omni Flash or not. Okay, and also remember they have published it as a open source. So here you see that what is open source, Qwen3 Omni instruct model and thinking model. So this model has the instruct and thinking power, and also it has this captioner power. Okay, so you can use it in a variety of applications, from instruction following to creative tasks. So if you go to their official platform chat.qwen.ai, here you see that Qwen3 Omni Flash, select it from the drop down, and there you will find this thinking option. So if you just turn it on this thinking, then it will use the thinking mode, and if not, then it will not use that thinking. Now the difference is that if you use the thinking mode, you will get the best output. Let me show you what I have done. That I have given this kind of some letters, and I just asked it that form meaningful words from these letters. Okay, and what I have done, that I have just turned it this thinking mode, and here you see that after thinking completed, it has given me some of the words from this letter. Okay, now I have given the same things to the Gemini 2.5 Flash also in this gemini.google.com platform. Here you see 2.5 Flash, and what I have got, here you see that I have got some of the words. Okay, and also I have given the same thing to the Grok 4 Fast. Okay, so this model got released 2 days ago. Here you see that Grok 4 Fast. So the same thing I have given to this also, and I just asked it that form some meaningful words, and it has given me in this way. Now the difference is that if you see in case of Gemini, it has given me only the words, but it has not given me that which column, which row it has taken. It has just randomly given some of the meaningful words. But in case of Qwen3 Omni Flash, it has given me the words, and also these 4-letter words and these 3-letter words. There are multiple words it has given, and also it has mentioned that in which row, in which column it has found that full word. Okay, or you can say that the letters. So this is very interesting, because if you just find the words, then you need to understand that in which column or in which row you need to go, so that you can actually find the full meaningful words. Because from this word only you cannot understand that in which column is this particular letter is present, so that you can connect, right? So from that perspective, this Qwen3 Omni Flash result is very much helpful. But the thing is that I have turned it this thinking mode. But without thinking, if you see, I have just also tried it. So how do you see that without thinking mode, the result is actually means what can I say? It is continuously hallucinating, and it is in the infinite loop. It has gone in the infinite loop. Here you see what it has done. It is finding some of the words. It is looking again, and also how you see that it is not a word. And then from this point, but let's think of other words. From this point, it has gone in an infinite loop. Here you see. wait, X is a letter, X is not a word, X is a letter, X is not a word. Okay, so it has gone in an infinite loop. And when I use the same in the thinking mode, by turning it on this thinking mode, then I got the actual correct answer. So I can share that if you use this Qwen3 Omni Plus, always use a thinking mode so that this model doesn't hallucinate you, and so that you are not in the infinite loop. Okay, and if you just see the pricing page, here you see that this is their pricing page, and they have just given it in the form of yuan, because this is a Chinese model. And I asked ChatGPT that what is 1 yuan. So 1 yuan is actually what it has given. It has given me something like this. Okay, so this Chinese yuan is about this one, and this kind of. So it has given me that per 1 million input token, the price is around $0.31, and audio is 2.66. So if you compare this input text with the Gemini 2.5 flash pricing, here you see $0.30, means almost similar for this text, image, audio. But the thing is that this Qwen3 Omni Plus is charging for the audio mode. Okay, for the audio, here is that for the audio, and audio, specifically for the audio, it is charging $2.66. Now they are also saying that for audio they are comparing with the Gemini 2.5 Pro, not the flash model. Okay, so if I show you the pricing for the 2.5 Pro, where is that 2.5 Pro? Okay, preview TTS, uh, it is around $1, but this Qwen3 Omni Plus is charging more than the Gemini 2.5 Pro. Okay, maybe their quality is best, but that is you need to try out. But from these benchmarks here, you see that in some of the cases it is completely beating, and in some of the cases also it is matching. Okay, so that is completely, you have to try it out. It is not possible to cover all of that examples in a single video, and I have just told you the difference and how to use it. And this is another Qwen3 Omni demo. This is the Hugging Face space. So basically, if you go to this Hugging Face repository, I think there you will find this space. Okay, here you see Qwen3 Omni demo. So you can try it out from this space also, and also there's an option to test it out in their chat option official. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you are interested to get this type of videos more daily, the full comparison with transparency, please make sure to subscribe this channel. Please make sure to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.